unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Yes, you can cook a turkey in a convection oven, and often with excellent results. To do so, preheat your convection oven to about 25 degrees Fahrenheit, -4 degrees Celsius, lower than traditional oven recipes recommend. Convection cooking circulates hot air around the food, cooking it more evenly and often faster. Season the turkey as you like, then place it on a roasting rack inside a pan. Roasting times may vary based on the turkey's size, but generally, it should be ready about 30% faster than in a conventional oven. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safety.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.